I know they won't remember this. They're too little. But I will. I know that the same moments that they are never going to remember, I will.
So I'm very late and everybody are ball, including myself, coming makeup around. Eh? Could I? Just Christ. My face. Tears.
Oh, see that right?
See it?
Yeah.
Watch more shit. Alright guys, so me reach the airport. I already checked in. My makeup is looking a hot mess, as y'all can see. I was crying. But I never know say when my ball, I saw my makeup I got just run off. So I'm not sure. It obvious babes. Like as I look at me, I see it. And my makeup bag is in my suitcase. So guys, who you take away all of my Jamaican money from?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm a student.
Guys, okay, so my makeup is looking a mess and I feel a way about it. But I can't do nothing about it right now. I have to just leave it where it there. But this is the fit. I like a backpack. See, I'm already. Ariana and Aisha, them a cry like them a really, really cry. So, yeah, I can't. Them a ball. I make a phone call and come back. So, I'm still at the airport. My makeup still messed up. I think they make me ball. Anyways, I buy one USB. Oh, you don't have the Type-C one. I don't want that one there.
You say Apple.
Yeah, but you have Type-C.
You have Type-C in the Apple?
Yeah, you have a Type-C and then other one I want. Because I have one adapter for that. Remember you don't have the adapter? You don't have none. Remember some of them come with the bottom. See there? Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. So the USB is for $15, guys. I'm hungry. I look so to eat. Amora and Daddy. Hi.
This is Shasha.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm like,
Sasha.
yeah, remember now.
Hey.
Yes, Amora, say goodbye, Jamaica. Amora, say bye-bye, Jamaica. I gone.
American Airlines figures while calling 1400 Larry Brown, Simon Bryan, Shania Pulley.
Yeah, ruffles and drink water because.
Ms. Shabani, and I would like to welcome you to the boarding area for. Kindly make your way to gate number 9 and identify yourself when you stand. Una vez más, el vuelo 1094 contenido su número de asientos asignados se encuentra en su paseo verdad. Ocupe el asiento lo antes posible para despejar el pasillo. El equipo de ayer desea llevarles a su destino con puntualidad. Coloca sus artículos personales debajo del asiento frente a ti en su compartimiento superior en su cinco para que pase la mayor tamaño. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to welcome you aboard our flight. Última ruta de 1 hora y 20 minutos. También la de otros pasajeros que aprovechan el vuelo de conexión con nuestra creciente de los destinos. Good afternoon, it's a pleasure to welcome you aboard. To myself, my colleagues and my team, let's welcome you aboard our flight. For takeoff, please fasten your seatbelt. Place the seat in open position, low. Stow away the folding table and place your personal belongings on a seat in front of you in your large back seat over compartment. Para abrochar el cinturón, inserta la punta metálica en la hebilla y a la correa para ajustarlo. Para desabrocharlo, levanta la parte superior de la hebilla y separa ambos extremos. Mantenga el cinturón asegurado siempre que esté sentado. To fasten your seatbelt, listen and activate the buckle and adjust the corner strap. Don't fasten, lift or unstrap. Please proceed to keep your seatbelt fastened while you are seated. En el improbable caso de una despresión de cabina, máscara de oxígeno como la que te mostramos caerán del panel superior. Toma una máscara hacia ti para activar el tubo de oxígeno. Coloca la máscara sobre tu boca y nariz. Ajusta la banda elástica alrededor de tu cabeza y respira normalmente. Si viajas con un bebé, un niño y que requiere asistencia, ponte tu máscara primero para después ayudar a otros. In the likely event of decompression, mask will down from aboard your seat. Please find your mask. Pull it out to activate the oxygen flow. Test the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust and activate from your hands and breathe normally. If there are infrared or baby or submerged inside, always press your own mask first before helping others. Esta aeronave Boeing 737 MAX de última generación cuenta con 8 salidas de emergencias, 2 puertas en la parte delantera, 4 ventanillas, una sola en la zona central de la aeronave y 2 puertas en la parte posterior. Localiza las salidas más cercanas, podrían estar detrás de ti. De ser necesario evacuar la aeronave, luz algo del pasillo y llegan hacia las salidas. Es muy importante que des a bordo todas tus pertenencias, ya que podrán entorpecer tu salida y la de los demás pasajeros. This Boeing 737 MAX has an emergency exit, 2 doors at the front, 4 windows under the wings in the middle of the aircraft, and 2 doors at the back. Please locate your nearest exit and be aware of it behind you. In the event of evacuation of the aircraft lies on the aisle with directed to the exit, please deposit your belongings on board as they could depart for your other passengers. En caso de ser necesario, debajo del asiento encontrarás un chaleco salvavidas. Para usarlo, abre la bolsa y sácalo. Desliza la cabeza por la abertura central hasta la cinta de tu cintura. Abrocha la hebilla en la parte delantera y ajustala. Una vez fuera de la aeronave, inflando la manija loba en la parte inferior o soplando por la boquilla lateral. Algunos chalecos pueden tener 2 manijas y 2 boquillas. Uno los ubica en el hombro y el contacto con el agua. Recuerda, el chaleco no debe ser inflado dentro del avión. Si usar cualquier elemento o equipo del avión constituye un delito despenalizado por las autoridades. If required, you will finalize the on your seat. To use it, take it from the back, pass it over your head, and adjust it and wind your way. Using the clip to secure it. Once outside the aircraft, better using the red handle or blowing to the tube. Some lights may have the handles and the tube. Allow your your shoulder to be out of both of the water. Do not inflate the lights inside the aircraft. They will be any element or equipment for the aircraft is a current position by the authorities. Para más información sobre la medida de seguridad de este avión, consulte el tipo de contraste o el sitio de la cinta frente a ti. For further information regarding safety of this aircraft, please check the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Te recordamos que la deputación sin constar de activarse social mobile phones, tablets and laptops must be split to airplane mode or turn off until the end of the flight. Por regulaciones aeronáuticas políticas de la empresa, en este vuelo está prohibido fumar, incluso cigarrillos electrónicos. Los baños están equipados con detectores de humo. Manipular, deshabilitar o destruir cualquier detector de humo del baño es sancionado por las autoridades. Allergies and smoking element, the user to receive is put on a flight. Con la battería with the smoke detectors, temporary weapon, disabling or destroying in laboratories by dictators merece una fine prosecution by authorities. La tripulación de chequeo final antes del despegue. Muchas gracias por la atención. Ahora está lista para partir. Disfrute el vuelo. Vamos arriba. The cabin crew make a final safety check before takeoff. Thank you for your rotation. We are now ready for departure. Please sit back, relax, and you're not time for this today. Vamos arriba.
Crew, prepare for departure.